Yes.
Yo!
It is about.
Women's
fuck.
products, bro.
Yes. Okay.
Oh shit. Where do you put the hair in that?
It's because it opens
First you
like
should
that.
have hair.
My God, you chuck. Yes!
Oh.
Spot on. So he's got it spot on. So again, it's 3 points to Dheeraj, aka.
This host is also useless. He put that must carry one thing. He gave him a hint.
Yeah. You couldn't read.
No, but then
Shut up. It's a very famous brand if you read the name. If you
Milfo.
know-
when I am buzzing, full name. Him, it's okay. Euros, dollars, anything will go.
Yeah. Oh no.
That- that is-
buzzard,
So welcome to Skewed Perspective, where the channel could be a podcast, it could be a game show, it could be random fuckery, but one thing that remains constant is the people behind it. So today we have me, Skadush, as the host. So we also have our participants. So I'll be the host for today, as well as we have our participants. So starting off with the first participant, can you introduce yourself? ASL. Do you know what ASL is? It means age, sex, and location. So location, I want you to tell your child where you were born.
I'm GB. I'm 26 years old. I am male and I was born in Chennai.
You were born in Chennai. Okay, so GB, if I ask you who are the two closest women in your life, who would they be?
My mom
Yeah.
and my sister.
So your mom and your sister.
Yeah.
So moving on to the next contestant, we have Cute Rager with us. So
That's my name? Okay.
yeah, so Mr. Cute Rager, could you please introduce yourself?
ASL.
Yeah, age, sex, location.
I'm 23 years old, guys. And
Some shame, da.
Yeah,
sex, male.
sometimes.
And yeah, I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay. And if I ask you the same question, two closest women in your life. I mean, if you want to name more, you can.
No,
just
no.
as a no.
It's the same, my mom and my sister.
Your mom and your sister. So we have a last contestant with us, which is Mr. Mooncake.
Yes.
No, wait. I also want to add Deepika Padukone to that.
Deepika Padukone.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have Deepika Padukone also. He's close to, she's not close to him though.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Huh.
So we have Mr. Mooncake, aka Dheeraj. So, sir.
So
in case-
Dheeraj, 23, Dodanakundi
same
represents.
age.
Same age, bro. Eh?
Bro!
Same t-shirt also. Same shirt also.
Okay. Over.
So if I ask you who are the two closest women,
My mom and
your mom, I think it's a perfect question. I mean, do you want to add a third just in case if
No,
that
no,
person gets
that's
upset? No?
That's good.
No.
Thanks.
I've already given you guys a hint.
It's about women.
It is about.
Women's
fuck.
products, bro.
Yes. Okay.
Oh shit!
So the quiz will be about women's products, and that is how we will keep it. So you have women in your life, and equally fair enough to like a sister and a mother. So let's see how well you guys know. Let me explain to you guys the rules of the games. Okay. So first thing is obviously there'll be positive points for correct answers, but there will also be negative points for wrong
Shit,
answers.
CET all over again.
Okay.
Not CET, da dumb fuck JE. Mains.
CET also had.
CET
no?
doesn't
No,
have
CET
negative
doesn't have
points.
negative.
You want to talk about it? Okay, cut to you.
Damn said. Anyways, so the game will have multiple segments. So it's in 3 levels. It's level 1 easy, which has 10 questions, level 2 medium, which has 10 questions, and level 3, which is hard, which will have 6 questions. Okay. So the positive and the negative points will vary according to the levels.
There's 26 women's
There are
products, sir.
What do you mean?
saying?
Oh, that is nothing. 26 I've put
They
in the
have
quiz.
26 different shades of lipsticks. Da.
Yeah, what
Forget
is
about
that?
product.
But it'll fall. Why don't guys have so many things? But
They
No,
do.
I mean 26 obviously.
Don't make this a guy girl.
Yeah,
thing, da.
seriously.
okay.
Okay. The next thing is you will only have 7 passes per team.
What?
Or per person.
Oh, I can pass 7 times.
You can pass 7 times without losing points.
Okay.
But after
But
7.
why would you pass?
If you don't want to
Oh, if you
If you-
buzzed already and then you don't want to
Yeah,
answer.
yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
the way that it works is, I will show you an image. There'll be 3 categories usually. There's a change in 1 or 2 questions, but mostly it's 3 categories.
Okay.
One will be the name of the product.
Okay.
Second will be the usage of the product, and
Okay.
third will be the price of the product.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how we will be going with respect to
Okay,
the game.
cool.
Okay. So 7 passes is what you can give without losing points. Okay.
Yo, let's go.
Anyone who passes, the rest of the 2 can answer, and they will not lose points even if they answer wrong or lose a pass or anything. No negative points. Basically.
Passing is only for pussies. You've got to take the negative boys.
Yeah. Okay. Honestly, if you
Oh,
ask me,
shit, sorry.
okay. So honestly, if you ask me, if you get positive points,
It's more than enough.
I think I'm happy. Okay.
Oh,
That bad
okay.
the quiz is.
No. No, you can get. I think you can do it. Okay. It won't be hard. Okay.
That's
What the
what
fuck?
she said.
Moving on to the next rule is that obviously the team with most point wins. Okay. And the second thing is the acceptable price range will be minus 15% to plus 15%. So if it's 185 to 115 is what I'll accept.
Okay, cool.
So this is how we will be going forward.
78. Do quick math and tell me what is it.
No, if it's 84, I'm sorry, it's wrong. It's wrong to me. Okay, I will not.
Okay.
I will be a bit lenient with respect to depending on what the question is. If I think it's an obvious one and you guys don't answer, then obviously the winner needs to get something as well as the loser needs to get punished.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, which I will reveal at the end.
Hey,
So
there has to be
No.
some kind of motivation.
No,
What
you-
is this? These games. Rick?
trust me, you don't want to lose.
Oh.
No.
Trust me, you
tell
don't want to lose.
So both two people who lose are.
No,
Lose
not
now,
both.
please.
So the middle one gets no reward. The winner gets to do the punishment to the loser.
Oh.
Okay, so that is how it will be.
My mind is going too many places.
Cool. So
Okay.
shall we get started?
Yeah.
Let's go.
So I want you guys to keep your buzzers out. Okay. So
Yes.
initially it'll show a product number on top, and then the image will display. So as soon as the image displays, you can use your buzzer.
Yeah.
What are the three things again? The product name?
Name.
So I will tell you. I will ask you the question again.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry about that. Depending on what the thing is.
All right, boys, let's
Okay.
go.
So it'll show a product number and then it'll show a image.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, come. Okay, so level 1 will be
Oh.
the easy level. That's good. Okay. No, level 1 will be the easy one where you get +2 for every sub answer and -1 for every sub answer.
Okay.
Correct? Perfect. Name wrong, -1. Name right, +2. Cool. So let's get started. Fine. So we have the prepper is he's lost hope in life. He's not picking up his hand only. He's like, fuck it, I'm not going to do this.
Yeah, might as well.
But no, but I'm telling you, try and win. Don't try and
Oh my
avoid
God.
losing. Okay. So product number 1 that we have is okay. So we have Mr. Mooncake who's gone on and
Oh, okay.
who's gone on and buzzard. So
that?
the first question is the name. What do you think is the name?
I think it's hair straightener. Is it correct?
Oh, easy da.
So it is a hair straightener.
Mine,
Okay, so it is a hair straightener. Okay. The second thing is usage.
Straighten your hair.
Perfect. It's in the name.
Oh.
Okay. Now I will tell you which hair straightener this is. So this is a Dyson hair straightener.
Oh.
Okay. So try and understand that all the prices are MRP, not what the prices today are on Amazon or anything. So discounts do not count. Tell me, guess the MRP of this
Dyson, no?
Dyson.
Won't be cheap.
Okay. So if you had to guess the price,
11K.
11K. Okay. So there's a 15%.
Okay.
What you're buzzing?
I thought it's
Fuck you,
wrong,
wanted
so
to
I
know
can
your
I'm
answer.
holding it the other way around anyways.
Yeah.
Dumb fucking to my
These Gawar people just come. Okay.
seriously. Okay. So if he does get it wrong, you can go ahead.
Yes.
I still
Okay.
get
I
4
don't.
points.
Huh?
I still get 4
Yeah,
points.
you still get your 4
Hey,
points.
that is easy. Shut the hell up.
Okay.
Why? Who did
So
not
wait,
buzzer?
it's wrong. What's your guess?
4999. Oh, sorry, 4999.
4,000,
Yeah.
999.
5,000, 5,000.
No.
Anyways, it's 20%. It's 15% mine. 5,000.
Yeah.
Do you want to have a guess?
Why chill you? Sleep.
Do I get a free guess?
Yeah, you get a
it's
free guess.
No negatives.
8K.
8K.
Let's go.
Oh, fuck. Oh my god.
So the
dude, what
Dyson
is
hair
that?
straightener.
I know it's
yes,
expensive, but 40K.
The MRP is 38,900.
That's cheaper than a vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, the vacuum cleaner is 15K, da.
Yep. So starting off, we have the
No, but
hair
that's the
straightener.
MRP he said.
That's the MRP.
Yeah,
No, but
MRP.
it
No,
still
MRP
says no. It still sells for 30K. Still around sells for 30K. Just to give you guys an idea. Product number 2 that we have is I want your buzzer ready.
Hey, wait.
Okay.
I got this, bitches. You guys are gonna go down.
Okay. So we have Mr. Mooncake who's buzzed.
Oh fuck! I shouldn't
Okay.
have.
So
I know what I shouldn't have.
looking at the image, so if I do ask you, what would it be the name of the product?
Dude, I see the scale is not right on the image. It looks too small. If it's a little bigger, it looks like a hair curler. But then I don't know if it's this much and they use it to curl. their
No.
eyebrows or
It's the
something.
length of a straightener only.
Then it's a curler, hair curler.
Hair curler.
Curl curl.
So that's your final
that's
guess?
my guess. Yeah.
Okay. It is a curling iron. So I'll give it to him. Hair curler, curling iron. Perfect.
Why
Okay.
do I know this?
Okay. So the second thing
Okay.
is the usage.
To curl hair. It's in the name.
Okay, it's in the name. Okay.
Hair.
Okay. So that is how.
Hey, that is you can't give 2 points for that.
No,
What
no.
is that?
Come to the
No,
mic.
I
Hey,
want, I want
No,
points.
that is negative.
You.
Fuck you.
First of all, you've not buzzed. Shut
Yeah.
up. No. No.
Get out.
Move on.
Okay. So it's a Philips hair curler. Yeah, guess. For the price.
Hair curlers will be what? Max Philips means chotte company means some 4K.
Okay.
Price is right.
No, go ahead and guess.
Buzzer,
Go ahead and
okay.
guess. Go ahead
Aren't
and
you
vote.
supposed to say he's wrong and then pass?
Yeah.
He is wrong.
Okay, it looks fancy. It doesn't look like it has some extra
Have you seen
handle.
the
And all.
Dyson one? You think this
Yeah,
looks
but-
fancy?
No, it has
Okay,
that
it's just-
extra handle and all. What is that for?
That is what is used to open it and then you put your hair in. It's not a fancy handle.
Where do you put the hair in that?
It's because it opens
First you
like
should
that.
have hair.
My God, I'm not going to explain the product to you.
Okay.
Go ahead and guess the price.
Philips. 499.
499. So your guess is 5,000.
No, he rolled 4K. Da.
Yeah,
You didn't tell us
okay.
wrong first of all.
If you had to guess.
15%.
2K. Okay.
Then
The
5K.
reveal.
Yes!
Oh,
Spot on. So he's got it spot on. So again, it's 3 points to Dheeraj, aka Mooncake, and 2 points and 1 point to GB.
Yes.
Let's go.
Product number 3, we have again
fuck.
it is Mr. Mooncake who's again
It's
gone
just a
and
fucking
buzzed.
dress. What do you mean? It's it's not. It's supposed to be a type of dress.
I
is it?
want you to name what it is called.
Is there a time limit?
Huh?
Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3.
Fucking what?
Oh.
Antakshari. This
No,
is suddenly.
if he gets it wrong, I'll pass the question to you
pass
guys.
it.
Oh, okay.
Just wait, you.
So you guys don't have to.
That is a nightgown.
It's
If I ask you,
Is it a jumpsuit?
yes, it is a jumpsuit.
Oh shit, no.
So
You're happy to win.
it's a jumpsuit by H&M. Okay.
Oh.
So again, Mr. Mooncake.
Why?
What?
I mean,
Why? I
goes on.
answered.
Yeah, he answered. He should.
No, it'll be you
Hey,
because
no,
you
no.
buzzed. So
That's not.
no,
that's
only
not
because he
fair.
got it wrong, I gave it to you guys. It's a subsection.
So he gets a point.
He gets a point. He gets
No,
a point.
it's mandatory for me to answer the rest too.
Yeah.
You can pass it if you want.
You buzzer for the image. You don't buzzer for the questions. So you
my
answer everything.
God.
So that is what the rule is.
Points I'm getting.
So
the
okay,
usage.
usage. I mean,
To where? Yeah.
correct. Price.
Is it?
No, wait. By the way, usage might not be a question in this. I'll tell you guys. We'll see. I don't remember. So
Okay.
price.
Where?
So it's an
Price.
H&M jumpsuit. So if you had to guess the price, what would the price be?
H&M, huh?
Yeah.
What fabric is that?
It kind of looks like denim, right?
Denim.
No? It's cotton. So we have an expert off camera who says it's cotton.
2543.
Okay, 2,500 is what I'm going to take the guess
43.
as. Okay.
It's
So-
wrong.
Mr.
How expensive could that be?
Mr.
Uh,
Cute Rager.
H&M isn't actually that expensive, so I'll probably go for 2K.
15% you got covered, no? Dumb fuck with 2.5k.
No,
Who
how?
is this
No, it
dumb
didn't.
shit?
It
2000, how will
didn't.
it
But
get
but
covered?
it still there's an overlap. You shouldn't have
Yeah,
answered.
there's an overlap
You
there.
shouldn't have answered 2K.
Yeah.
Smart thing. You shouldn't have over. It still overlaps.
Dickhead.
If you
Just
had
two
to
more
guess.
pointing fingers at me over there.
4.5.
My God, you're stupid.
It's not that expensive,
Yeah.
dude. H&M.
H&M is
It's
not.
two, right?
Yeah, you're stupid. Two only.
He said 2.5. He said 2.
Yeah.
That is only too expensive.
Okay,
They're telling.
1.5.
Oh, you said too expensive.
Yeah.
I told correct,
So you
no.
got the answer then.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So you got in the answer.
Peace.
Dude, I
Why did you
didn't-
go to him?
Why are you giving hints saying it's not that expensive?
I
He
to-
did-
after
No, I only
he
told
told.
first.
He told.
Oh, then how will I know? I thought he told.
No,
it.
he told.
Listen, da. How
How is this a hint? He
Yeah,
doesn't
that's
know
not
how
a
much
hint.
it
No,
costs.
it could be very. He
I
could
know.
very well be wrong. So the next product, I want you guys to keep your buzzers ready.
It's 4. I have 4
Okay.
points now.
So the next product is
Oh, fuck. How many times will you do it first, da? I
again
still don't know what
Me,
that
huh?
is, though.
Mr. Mooncake.
Is it
buzzer again.
tweezers? Tweezers.
Okay, so the name you've guessed, tweezers.
Yeah.
Well, it's tweezer.
Now,
Oh.
in the usage, I want you to be specific to which part it's used on.
Eyebrows. They pull. गान मारता bro हम ये हमारा गेम हम कुछ भी करेगा हाँ
Hey, you have all this in
And-
your cupboard, pakka.
And coming to the MRP of the product, what do you think the MRP of the product is? The price of the product.
Rupees.
What is the company?
It
What's
won't
the
be
company?
that cheap also, da.
So this is some
50 rupees.
typical stuff. Like
50
it's
rupees
not. It's not some
It
expensive.
is
Like it's not an expensive brand, is what I mean.
200.
200.
Too
50
much,
bucks. 50 bucks.
500.
What if they
You're
make
the
that
worst.
gold?
Your girlfriend is going to loot you.
Why?
You might as well pay for
Visas,
cancer
no.
instead if she goes to this thing, parlor and all.
38K. What do you expect?
That's Dyson.
That's
da.
Dyson.
That's
No,
what-
that-
what product? I don't
that is
know
a
what
I
piece of
told you. I
plastic.
told you it's a cheap one.
Yeah.
I gave you the hint. It's a cheap one.
No,
So,
you-
anyways, the price is
169. It's still not in your range.
not in 15%.
You
175.
get minus
is-
1. We all get 0.
175. Product number 5. We have. It was.
What? How?
I'm going to give him benefit of doubt because he's not answering
Fuck,
anything. But it was
bro,
exactly at the
God.
same time. But I'm going to give him the
Bruh.
benefit of the doubt.
If you say the
So-
wrong.
So, it's 2 words. The second word, there are 2 options. If you name either of them, I'll give you the points. So it's +2, +2.
Fucking just give him the points then. What is
No,
this? How
is-
many?
Go ahead.
I have no. Is it fishnet or whatever?
What?
Fishnet.
Complete it.
No, it's 3 words then. Sorry.
Oh, then fishnet leggings or stockings.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So +2.
Yo,
Usage. Usage.
to cover the legs.
It doesn't cover the legs.
Yeah,
It
but
literally
whatever.
doesn't cover the legs.
Or to
Fur.
accentuate the legs.
It's for
No,
intimate
I want you
moments.
to describe what it's worn along with.
Oh, either short skirts or a boot or something like that.
Okay, I'll
Or
give you
a
the
big
points.
boot or something.
I'll
like
give you the
that.
points for that. So,
F21,
this
man.
is from Forever 21. Okay, so I'm written F21.
I thought it's a function.
No. So, no, why will I put that in the details? No.
Why are these being displayed
Okay.
here?
So, now guess the MRP. It's from Forever 21. So, guess the price.
Do I have to?
Oh, you can pass.
You
Oh,
could
no,
pass.
I
You
don't
have
want
only
to pass
7
now.
passes.
Always pass, bro.
Wait, I already got 4 points, no? Negative
wait.
is how much?
Negative is -1.
Minus 1 only, no?
Yeah.
Mentally.
Negative is -1.
Yeah, go ahead.
Just risk it.
How much? Yeah, I'm going to risk it.
Forever 21 again.
Yeah, it's a little.
Real what? Louder, you know.
No,
anything about
mid-range.
21.
No, Forever 21 is mid-range. Between Zara and H&M.
What?
Yeah.
That's so wrong,
think
but
so.
okay.
Go ahead.
But I don't know how much those things cost at all. Let's say $1,000.
Okay.
Oh,
He
fuck.
No,
bought it.
we go
We go around, bro.
that way. It's a free pass anyways for you, so you can go ahead.
Oh, I was wrong, huh?
Yeah, you're wrong.
Oh, fuck.
Wrong.
6K.
Hey, what? This guy. Just because
GB,
you have
please,
three
da.
bars.
Is there an elimination round?
You know what?
For such absurd answers, you should give negative.
You know what? Honestly, we might as well just do the punishment now and play the show
Yeah,
later.
If it's like 100% more,
I
no.
got 0 negative.
So, anyways, Mr. Mooncake, in case if you had to guess.
2K.
Hey, no, I think it
Okay.
should be lesser than 1K. If it is 499. I should have
Oh,
gone.
Forever
Thought
21 was not
599.
expensive, huh?
No,
I mean,
that thing shouldn't be expensive.
This shouldn't be expensive. It's
Dude,
a-
I don't know how expensive these brands are. What is that?
So, how is it our fault?
He said between H&M and Zara. What is that?
No, you don't listen to him. He's an idiot.
Yeah, but that's not a coat.
By the way,
A coat is 6K, da. What is
Keep your
6K
mic
for
towards
that?
you. You're not. Cool.
Uh-huh.
So, moving on to the next round. Product number 6. Bowser's ready. The product is.
Dude, this looks wrong, but
Why does this look wrong? I've seen
Huh?
this.
Guess wrong.
I'll try.
because this looks like something in
What?
the doctor's office.
Oh, to
Okay.
probe you.
Yeah.
Okay, don't discuss.
Name of the product.
What? Okay, can you tell me the scale of it?
No,
How-
not allowed.
How is that? How is
No,
how
not
is that
allowed.
not
You
fair?
should. You
Come
should
on,
know. You should just. That's the point of the thing. You should know as soon as you look at the
Honestly, whatever you're telling, I know what that product is.
Oh, you know that product.
I know what you're thinking. I know exactly what you're thinking.
No, that's
Hey,
why I
no,
want
no,
to
no,
scale.
no clues. Shut up
That's-
and
that's
just
why I
tell the
wanna
name or you get out.
Okay,
Tell the name.
wait. There's no time limit.
Oh, okay.
No, they should have a time limit. This is too.
Oh, I just
I
hardly
mean,
took any time. I'm
yeah,
just
yeah.
asking for scale.
He's not taken too
Yeah,
much time anyways.
scale. Little.
No.
Small, big.
Big, very big.
It looks like.
Go ahead. Name.
1 second, wait. I don't want to say that, but I don't.
It could very well
No
be that
wrong
also, I'm
answers. It's
just
a safe
saying.
place, Dhiru. It's a safe
Honestly,
place.
nothing.
We're not going to judge you.
Nothing that I've kept is off limits. There are products which will be. I mean, this could be one of them.
Dhiru,
Dude,
this
I
is a
want to
safe
see.
place.
It looks like something they do for the eyes also, okay? But then it looks too big for that. But then I'd rather say that than the other one. So
Hey,
I think
where you
What
put
is
eye over
it?
there?
What is it called?
eye curler.
No.
Eye curler.
What curler? You'll curl your eyes
I
out.
know eyebrows, not eyebrows, like eyelashes.
Okay. So what was the
yeah.
name?
Curler. Eyelashes.
Yeah, that's correct
Okay,
only.
what-
So it's an
Why didn't you
eyelash.
just tell the other answer?
So it's an eyelash curler.
I don't know what was that called.
Okay.
Also.
Vega, I don't even know that company.
So that's the brand.
No, what is that? You know what the other thing was called?
I don't know what you were thinking.
I don't know. Come on, you
I know what
you're
he's thinking. I know what he's thinking.
I
know what he's
swear.
thinking. No.
Okay.
Anyways, moving on. Usage. I don't know if usage is there. I don't remember.
Hey, no usage, boss. That
Well, fuck you.
I'm pretty sure
Let's
it's
do
not
that.
there.
I don't think it's there.
Let's do that.
Okay. And
It's to do what?
Do
Tell
what?
me.
Curl eyelashes.
okay, go like
do
that.
that.
Price.
Price,
The brand is Vega. So MRP, please.
I don't even know what Vega is.
$3.99.
$3.99. So if I don't
I have a feeling
remember,
this is a 6
you
point.
can go ahead and guess.
I have a 6 point.
Oh,
So what was your guess?
399.
399. Okay. 400.
499.
500.
6K.
6K.
300.
300. Okay. So the price is none of you
150.
thought it
Oh,
right.
dude.
So it's 1 point for you. 1.00.
They don't have used that.
हाँ तो minus 1 ना,
Obviously,
price साठी.
the use is written in the name. Eyelash curler.
So
to
there's no
curl
use.
the
What-
eyelashes.
I mean, initially to give you guys points, I put usage also for easy ones, and luckily you got it. So
I'm
be
still
happy.
reading.
Okay.
These
So
guys are
product
useless
number
with
7.
that.
Keep your buzzers ready.
Wait.
Okay. So we have. So it is
Oh,
Mr. Cute Rager,
I don't know what
who's got it first for no apparent reason.
I was gonna press that. I was like, fuck, boss.
I just hit it. I didn't
This
even
cannot
say
be Dio, and also you.
Must carry one. Oh, Empower. Is it pepper spray?
Okay. So the name is pepper spray is your guess.
Yeah.
Please
There's
be
a
wrong.
pepper
Oh,
Okay. So
it's not a woman's product.
Yeah, it is.
It's a self-defense product.
yeah. I mean, all these products are women-oriented products. So I mean, they could be used by men also. I mean, eyelash curlers also men also use. So I mean, fair enough. So usage.
It's for self-defense.
Okay.
This uses there means I'll hit you. Oh my god.
Is
Hey.
there? Is
Fuck
there?
you,
No.
pepper spray for what? You'll use to cook.
To pepper, yeah, who knows? It's not there
Actually,
in the name at
is
least.
there? Anyways,
Hey, come on, don't give
moving
me
on.
points for usage
No.
of this.
I've given you
Cost.
points for hair
Cost.
straightener.
Cost, I know that they're very expensive, pepper sprays.
No one's asking you. Chumma influence his answer.
Don't give
He'll
experience.
come up with like 12K. and all.
2K.
2K.
Yeah.
Okay.
1.5K.
$800. 350
Pepper
close.
sprays are
Dude, from now it's close.
Sorry.
No.
Dude, what the hell?
So
I
3
bought
points.
one for someone for like 2K something.
Yeah, you got
Did you
ripped
only
off.
pay or did you actually go and buy?
I went and bought.
No, you only paid, no.
No.
Anyways.
3 year.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I got
so
two
he got
right
usage
and wrong.
Usage he gets.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Why are you
You-
talking when you got for hair
Hair
straightener?
straightener. You shut
Dude,
up.
must
Seriously.
carry one. You should
And
have
he got
removed
for
that.
curling
This,
iron also.
this host is also useless. He put that must carry one thing. He gave him a hint.
Yeah. You couldn't read.
No, but then.
Shut up.
I took much lesser time than you for that
Buzzer.
probing thing.
Not a probing thing.
That's what you meant in the
Yeah.
first.
So product number 8 that we have is. So we had
shit.
Mr. Mooncake answer.
Sandals.
Yeah.
Sandals.
No, I want a
Footwear.
specific name.
Heels. What? What?
It's wrong. Wait. I need a bus.
No, I mean, no, you can answer. It's a
What?
free answer for you.
It's fuck.
It's a free answer for you.
Oh, okay.
Isn't it my
gave
turn?
all the
I was
answers.
second.
Dude, it's.
Or should we go like that?
Oh, okay, fine. Okay, it's
He'll
clockwise.
anyways
then,
get it wrong.
Fine.
No, I know what it's called. Wait.
What do you know?
No, I know.
I know what it's called.
Okay.
I answered the three
I
obvious
forgot,
things.
but I really knew. I've heard the name.
Okay.
I'm going to say Boots.
No.
Boots.
I don't know.
Why do you even
Wait,
care
wait,
about this?
Why you?
Why? Yeah. Why you?
It's free.
You shut up.
Okay, cool. So
What are they
now-
called?
It's called wedges.
Can you,
Oh,
can you
yeah,
give this to me?
fuck.
Can you give this to me?
Anyways.
No, I got
Why?
the video.
Steam
These are
man.
not heels.
At least can you
Heels, there
remove,
is a separation. That's
at least
where,
can you
that's why it's called heels.
remove the
No.
negative marking?
No.
No. Why you
buzzed no.
You buzz no.
Yeah, I
Buzz.
buzzed, but then I gave you the answer. Footwear. It is a footwear. Oh my god.
That is not, oh wow. Nice.
Okay, now this use also won't be there. Okay.
The
Because
use
I-
won't be
Obviously.
there.
Oh, fuck,
So
yeah.
pricing.
This game is just
So-
meant to be against me.
So pricing. So these are Steve Madden wedges. So if you had to guess,
They are. Dude, Steve Madden.
This bastard, huh?
that is your mistake. You're getting
Steve
influenced by
Madden
him.
is
He'll say
actually
whatever
very
he wants.
expensive. I'm not even kidding.
So
₹1.
go ahead. So go ahead.
Three.
Some mooncake.
2.5k.
2.5.
2.8. Fix.
2.5.
What?
I go for 8K.
Dude, he's 8k.
Yeah.
6.5K.
You actually had a chance to get the points here, but you missed it. But anyways,
How much is that?
it's 4.5.
How much
Okay.
did you say?
2.5.
He said 2.5, then
He's
made
going
it
to
2.8
Bata.
like it was 1 anyways. But anyways, so he fought like it was 1 definitely over there, you know. Anyways, product number 9 that we have, keep your buzzers ready, is,
There are two products.
no, so I mean, it's called, it's a very famous thing, come on.
Eyebrow liner. Eyebrow. This thing, whatever they do here.
Mascara. No.
It's a kit.
Kit is not there over there.
No, it's both of the things. It's not, these are not one product, these are two products.
How are we supposed to know this? It's a kit.
I don't even know what that is.
Product, this
Oh, there's a liquid thing and there's a dry thing over there.
Game show is rigged.
So, if you
He
had to
can
guess.
take 10 seconds, 15 seconds, but he'll come at us.
You know, let him take some
I
time.
don't know. I don't know. what-
Actually, okay, should I give him a hint? He's on.
Yeah, give him a
No,
hint.
dude, it's fine. I don't
No,
know.
give him a hint.
No,
give him a
I'll
hint.
give him a hint. I'll give him a hint. Okay. It's a very famous brand if you read the name. If you
Milfo.
know-
Kylie.
Oh, okay.
It's Kylie Jenner's brand.
I don't know what she makes.
She makes makeup.
I mean,
but
it's
I
some
think it's,
beauty. I guess some beauty product. I don't know what it's
It's a
used.
It's
makeup
obviously a
product.
beauty product. I think that's foundation maybe.
Why will foundation on a
Okay.
pencil be there?
So, it's a lip kit.
Dude,
Okay.
I was gonna say lipstick. Okay,
You
but
should,
then
if you would have said it, I think I'd have given you the points. But
Why the hell
anyways,
is it like a crayon, the other one?
Yeah.
no, that's how they outline it. So this is the lipstick. That's
Is
the,
there a use for this that I
No.
can use? Oh, fuck
No.
my life.
Anyways, by the way, I have a bonus point, and you
Okay.
can buzzer for it if you want to.
Okay.
What for what? What is this?
he'll
bonus?
ask
I'll
the
tell you.
question.
So, first listen.
This
I really
Jenner,
want
it's
you guys
Kylie
to
Jenner.
listen. Yeah, I don't want you guys to get extra excited for no reason. So, it's the color that I want you guys to guess. Okay, but it's not a normal name. Like how iPhones are named,
Oh,
the
fuck.
colors are named.
I'm
right?
not buzzing.
So it's that.
I'm
Does
not
the
buzzing.
bonus
I'll
point
give
have
you a
negative?
hint.
Oh, okay.
It's two words. The first word is the color itself. The second word is an item added in food. It's actually easy to guess because there's only one.
Is
thing
there
that-
negative in the bonus point?
No, there is no.
And
Go ahead and guess.
What is that
If
buzzer?
you had to guess,
What is that buzzer?
so, what was the hint?
first word
I like-
is the color.
Ah.
Second word is an item added in food.
Can I go? Can I go? I think
No,
I
no,
got
Mr.
it.
GB.
I
Mr.
think
Okay,
I got it.
I'll go next.
No,
I'm like, I buzzed.
after.
No, he buzzed. He
I
buzzed.
got it. Okay.
No, but if I get it wrong, it always
Okay, you
goes
tell,
to
you tell.
opposite.
I think I know.
No, go ahead. First, I
Fuck,
want
this point is going to go
No,
to me.
first I want. First,
Okay,
first
I'm
I
telling you,
want.
get
No,
wrong,
first
I'll
I
get
want
right.
GB to answer. Go ahead. I've given you a good hint. Oh my! Are you fucking? Okay.
Guess that.
He guessed it's wrong. Next.
It's
No, wait. It's
No, I buzz next.
okay.
Brown cinnamon.
No, brown sugar.
Yes.
Yo!
It is a brown sugar matte lip kit. Okay. So
Hey, wait, I need a new buzzer.
you would buzzed, right?
Yeah, he gets
No,
minus
Yeah,
2.
he buzzed.
No, I didn't buzz. He buzzed.
That's the bonus. There's no negative.
That's the bonus. Bonus. There's no negative. Okay. Wait. There's one more product. One more thing. Price. This is in euros. It's in euros or dollars. If you guess it, guess the amount. If you get the number right, fine.
140.
140. Okay. No.
You mean 1.4 or 140?
No. He means 140. He said
Dollars.
140.
1.4, you'll get that.
140 euros.
You
for
won't
that,
get Nivea also.
I swear. 140.
140.
Dude, that much is 140 euros. Are you kidding?
$100.
I
$100.
didn't say yes. Why is he arguing?
$100.
Anyways, so Mr. Cute Rager,
Yeah, $100.
My God.
$100,
50.
Why isn't there a use for this?
50. So it's a 30 euros.
Bro.
That's
Wait,
how many?
Waffle.
What do I do? I
euros?
don't-
No, that's
40,
close to your
$40.
dollars.
No, $40 is
That's still beyond 15%. Sad guess.
it's $280, right? $40.
I don't know.
Dollars how much? 75. So 300. Euros is 100. No,
One more point, P.
I'll give him the point.
Dude, he's just getting grace, and then just because
So
I got
it's-
points in before.
It's minus
How
1
is it graced? We saw it in dollars.
One?
It's correct.
No.
What is grace here?
and 1.
Why? He just told
Yeah,
tell
it's
digits.
minus
He never said euros or
Oh yeah,
dollars.
minus 2.
He said dollars.
No, you just said give me a digit.
Dude,
Forget
did you
dollars
say-
or euros.
I think.
Yeah.
Come on.
See,
He said dollars.
Sad kid,
Dude,
No, I.
Hey, I told dollars. I told him guess in dollars.
It's minus
You
2
are the host or he's the host. I
Sad
listen to
kid.
you from now on.
for Dheeraj
You keep crying for -2. Keep getting
oh my
Buzz
God.
more, buzz
and
more.
1 for.
Dude, how much is
Anyways, you told 150. Whatever it is.
No, but why is he getting points?
he'll get.
Oh no.
Because he guessed.
+1, you got
Okay,
-2. Brown cinnamon. It's in
Yeah, what the fuck is that?
Dude, it was easy. It was a good clue, no?
Yeah,
it's a good clue.
So we have product number 10, which is the last easy question.
Going
For
on.
you only.
Buzzers ready?
Yeah.
The product is.
The
I want.
Hair clip.
I
hair
want
pin.
the full name, proper name.
When I am buzzing, full name. Him, it's okay. Euros, dollars, anything
Shut
will
up
go.
and tell. Over.
Hair
Pick
pin.
one.
Hair pin. It's a fucking pin. Hair pin. I'm not really. I don't have.
Okay.
I don't have technical details on that. What is it? It's a fucking pin.
Hair
Nobody
pin
will
only.
know. Obviously, what? It's a hair.
Do you know any a precursor to a pin? Do you know any other word? Don't say hairpin again because it's pointless guessing.
Precursor to a pin. What does that
Yeah, I
even
mean
mean?
like a word that comes before pin, like some other type of pins.
Safety pin. Tell.
It's not a
You're
safety pin. I
horrible
mean,
at
come on,
this.
it's not a safety pin. But
Just do it. Just give it to me. Come on.
okay, cool. No,
Give it to
What?
me.
Clip.
I'm not gonna give it to you. No,
Why?
it's a bobby pin.
Fuck, I knew that, dude.
Yeah, you will know these.
Dude,
You should know these.
Dude, don't give me
Yeah,
negative
to
for
pick
this. dude.
clocks
This
and
is
all
not-
they use this.
This is
now.
not fair.
Hey, yeah, this is actually
Not fair.
No, no.
not fair.
Hey, no, it's fair because
Dude, he just
because I told. I mean, after I've told you,
Okay,
if
is
you
there a
will-
use for this?
If you,
Dude.
huh?
There won't be a use.
No,
now.
there's no usage for this.
Obviously,
No, is there a
that.
usage?
Fuck you people.
You remember?
No, da, you.
We didn't put no.
It's that useless fucking pin is.
Yeah, cool.
Hey,
There
you
is
can
no
also pick
use.
locks.
So this is a pack. This is a pack of 75 or 180 or something. I don't remember. So if you
Okay.
guys have to guess the price, what?
For the
I have to guess. What do you guys have to
Go
guess?
ahead. Anyways, negative only. No, go ahead. Guess.
Pack off?
How much was it?
This host is just biased as fuck, dude.
75 or 180. I don't remember. But anyways.
How? How to guess like this?
Anyway, you're going to guess it wrong. Shut
Okay.
the fuck up and guess.
You-
Okay, guess for pack of 10, we'll multiply or divide according to the answer.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay, pack of 10, huh?
Or pack of 100, you tell.
Pack of
Pack of
100.
10.
Closer to whatever he's
Pack
doing.
of 10, I'm telling. Shut the fuck up.
Okay.
Pack of 10 is $60.
$60.
No, pack of 10 maybe is $20. Not even that much. I should have gone for 10.
It's the MRP.
Ah, be 60.
How much?
500.
I
5K.
said 20.
No, 5K.
Pack of-
The brand is very
Pack of
expensive.
ten,
They
I
were
told
divided
20.
accordingly, right?
Yeah, brand is very expensive.
You're pricing for
10.
10.
10.
Okay.
Everyone's pricing for 10 only.
$7.
I get it.
It's into 7.
Pack
what
of
was yours?
75.
$600, sir.
I said, what did I say?
Why is it so
I said
expensive?
$50.
You said?
I said 50
No,
bucks.
mine is way wrong.
I said 50
So no
bucks.
one's close now. Peace.
Dude, I thought
So
less
it's
than 100
minus
was
2.
short, yeah.
0, 0.
0, 0. 0, 0, minus 2.
God, like in negatives.
He's below me.
He used up the entire advantage and you buzzer, no? You buzzer. Hey.
Yeah, you buzzer, no? Hey, you buzzer, da.
Dude, this guy's been very fucking
buzzard,
fucking pin he doesn't
Hey,
give,
only
dude.
for
No, no.
this.
He's
But
done
he
this
wanted
before also.
specific- Hey, dude, this
Dude,
is.
come on.
You should know this, Nanda.
No. No, but see, my point is
I'll
after I told you, you guys knew. Right?
Yeah, I
No,
knew.
I didn't know.
Yeah, oh no.
That
Why
is-
did
that
you
is-
buzzer, da?
Okay. We're going
It's
to
a-
the next level.
What?